Make Money Online 2023. Hey everyone, welcome to our channel. If you're new here, welcome, and consider subscribing to my channel and click that little bell notification below. Except for billionaires, we all want a second income, or we need our first income to be something that gives us money easily. That's how online money making got popular and is trending. As we're not stepping into 2023, I know most of you are looking for ways to make money online. So let me first ask you, is it possible to make money online? Of course, it is possible. Making money online is an extremely popular way to supplement one's income or even make a full-time living. But let me tell you that it won't be as easy as logging into social media. So now you may have that question. Isn't it possible to make money online quickly? My answer to this question is that it depends. But if you're looking forward to making money online, it's better to avoid get-rich-quick schemes. Some people, for example, may suggest online business ideas that claim you can make money from home overnight. Even though there are lots of ways to earn money online, you need to keep your wits about you, as people who promise that you can make millions of dollars in just a few days are probably trying to take advantage of you. Even though you do need to be careful as you're looking for ways to make passive income from home, there are plenty of amazing ideas out there. It's important to note that making money online requires effort and dedication, and may not be an immediate or easy process. It's a good idea to do your research and choose a path that aligns with your interests and skills. Now you surely have the question, how? As I said, there are a variety of ways that you can make money online. You can try starting an e-commerce business and selling products through an online platform, such as Etsy, eBay, or Amazon. Offering freelance services, such as writing, graphic design, or social media management through websites like Upwork or Fiverr. Creating and selling online courses or ebooks on platforms like Udemy or Teachable. Building a following on social media and monetizing through sponsored posts or affiliate marketing. Participating in paid surveys or focus groups. Those are just a few, and there are millions of things to try. So let's now see some of the options which you can try easily. Number 8. Begin dropshipping. Let's begin with one of the most popular ways to make money online. According to Google Trends, the popularity of dropshipping is rising, highlighting its viability as a business idea. There's plenty of proof that dropshipping is a legitimate way to make money online, with success stories like how an entrepreneur made $6,667 in 8 weeks, or how a store owner made 6 figures selling just one product. If you're unfamiliar with dropshipping, it's a business model in which you sell a product to a customer, but the supplier stores, packages, and ships the product on your behalf. Millions of products are available to you to add to your store when using Shopify dropshipping. You can handpick your product images, edit the item descriptions, and give your company a unique feel with some Shopify dropshipping apps, which will make customers want to shop with you. Dropshipping can be a good option for individuals or businesses that want to start an online store without having to invest in inventory up front. It can also be a convenient way for merchants to offer a wider variety of products without having to worry about storage or shipping. Number 7. Start printing on demand. Another popular way to make money online is through print on demand. As the name suggests, what you do is print as per the demand of your customers. This can be a convenient way for individuals or businesses to sell custom or unique products without having to invest in inventory up front. In that you don't have to keep inventory or send out packages to customers yourself, print on demand is similar to dropshipping. However, there are 2 minor differences. To begin, you can create your own custom products, which is excellent for brand recognition. Second, you can choose from specific items rather than a vast range of categories. Most print-on-demand companies sell products that are simple to customize, such as t-shirts, mugs, and tote bags. The best way to profit from your print-on-demand business is by using free marketing channels. Your best bet would be to promote your products for free on Instagram and Pinterest, as well as through social media influencers with high conversion rates. Number 6. Find freelance work online. Websites like Upwork, Fiverr, and Freelancer.com can be used to earn money online. These websites provide opportunities to work as a freelancer in a variety of fields, including writing, programming, design, marketing, data entry, and virtual assistant work. However, it's important to note that freelance work can be unpredictable and may not provide a consistent income. Freelancers often have to spend time searching for and pitching potential clients and may not always have a steady stream of work. Number 5. Select tasks from Amazon's Mechanical Turk. Some jobs, even in the age of automation, still require a human touch. Amazon Mechanical Turk, also known as mTurk, is a platform that allows individuals to complete small tasks, known as human intelligence tasks, in exchange for a small fee. These tasks are usually simple and can be completed quickly, such as transcribing audio recordings or identifying objects in a photograph. mTurk is often used by businesses and researchers to outsource tasks that are difficult or time-consuming for computers to perform, but that can be easily completed by humans. Once a task is completed, the worker submits it for review, and if it's approved, they're paid a small fee for their work. Number 4. Create an app. If you're not a developer, you're probably feeling a little stuck when it comes to this money-making idea. But you can hire someone with programming skills to create an app for you. All you need to do is come up with a unique app idea, identify your target audience, and create a brand image for your product. The programmer you hire will take care of things on the development front. When it comes to monetizing your app, adding it to Google Play and the App Store is your best bet. And contrary to popular belief, having a free app can help you make more money than having a paid app. You can make money by adding ads or premium features to a free app. It'll be simpler for you to upsell because the free app will draw a larger number of users. Number 3. Become a virtual teacher. Tutors are constantly in demand. If you're a teacher or someone with specific knowledge, you can help students improve their grades and prepare for exams. Just remember that you should have teaching experience and a certification in the relevant field. This will help create believability for both parents and students. Do some research, so you will recognize your target audience. Choose topics that you'll feel comfortable teaching based on your skills. You will also benefit from having a specialization certificate or an advanced degree. There are a lot of teaching techniques you can adopt when you're a virtual tutor. You can use interactive activities, slides, storytelling, and even gamification to make your course lessons more engaging. Number 2. Create a YouTube channel. There are numerous ways to earn money online through a YouTube channel. The most common method is to include AdSense ads in your videos. You get paid each time someone clicks on your advertisement. You can also promote products in your YouTube videos by wearing or using specific products. Add a link to your online store to encourage people to visit and purchase your products, or contract with third-party companies to promote their products. Make sure your audience is enticed by your offer though. Producing sponsored content is an additional way to monetize your YouTube channel. This way you can profit by endorsing branded products or creating content marketing videos. Number 1. Earn money through affiliate marketing. Another popular way to make money online is through affiliate marketing. Its popularity has risen and fallen over the years, but it remains a reliable way to earn money on the internet. The best part about affiliate marketing is that you can partner with a wide range of companies, including Shopify, Amazon, Uber, and FabFitFun. By promoting other brands, you can make money through affiliate marketing. You can collect a commission from sales by helping to promote retail products, software, apps, and other services. While a commission may appear insignificant, keep in mind that you can be an affiliate for multiple brands and include multiple affiliate links in a single blog post. Your best option is to concentrate on content marketing if you truly want to earn money online through affiliate marketing. By creating a blog with several pages of high-quality content, you can create an asset that you can call your own. So that's all for today's video. If you made it this far, click the subscribe button and hit the bell icon for more awesome content. Thanks for watching.